Hello, scholars. My name is Joseph Ejike Oji. I hope you're enjoying your summer. I don't mean to bother you, but there's something very important, an important message I want to send to you. First semester will be here very soon. And if you are a college student, you probably know this already, that irrespective of your major, every college student must pass maths before they graduate. So some of these math classes are in the form of algebra, pre-algebra, statistics, precalculus, and calculus. So now, one of the ways that you know that you will graduate from college is if you pass maths classes. Like I say, everybody in college takes maths. Irrespective of your major, you must pass maths. So if you're able to pass your maths classes, then you know that you're going to graduate. Which also means that if you can't pass your math classes, which is part of your prerequisite, you're not going to graduate. I'm sorry to say that, but you're not going to graduate. So it's very important that you pass math classes. You already know this too, that the math classes are one of the most hated classes in the college. In fact, math is the most hated class in college. Math department, students dread math department. Nobody likes math professors, but it's not their fault. It is actually the student's fault. Why? I'll explain in a minute. But you know that as a college student, that majority of students fail maths in college. Maths is the main reason why many students drop out from college. So students that fail maths, not really because the main reason they fail maths is not that they're not smart. They're smart, but it is the way they approach it. So if they approach maths the right way, I guarantee you're gonna pass. So the key is to approach it the right way. Yes, don't get me wrong, math is hard, but if there's a way you approach it and you overcome it and you pass. I want you to take this from me. Every fortress have a soft center. Every fortress have a weak center. So with maths, if you know how to approach it, you see that it is really not that bad. This is where this book, my book, Maths Express, How to Excel in Your College Math Courses, comes in. Now, it is basically a pamphlet, not even a big book. And I want to also let you know that the book, like I say, the name is Math Express, How to Excel in Your College Math Classes. So it offers you the solution for your math problem. It is not a book about math theory or algebraic theory or theories in calculus. No, it's not that. Far from that. It is a book. Instead, it's a book that will show you the secret of overcoming the 3 problems that cause students to fail math. One is their study habits, which often and most often start with poor attendance. Second one is practice. Very, very important. Third one is test anxiety. Now, for more of these secrets, I recommend that you order this book. That's my recommendation. Like I said, it's a very short book. It's even a pamphlet, and it's available in Amazon. So if you're going to take maths in the first semester, and you're getting ready, warming up for it, and you really want to get it done once and for all, I give you this book. I offer you this book, Math Express, How to Excel in Your College Math Courses. You can get this book from Amazon. I will show you why. It's right here in Amazon. You can see it right here. Very cheap, $7.99. Like I said, it's a very short book, almost like a pamphlet that you can finish reading in one day. Why wait? I'm offering you a way out. Get this book and you're not going to regret it. Thank you for listening. And I believe, okay, I didn't show you the, okay, that's what it is in Amazon. So thank you for listening. And let me make it look big so you can see everything about the book. I'm going to click on it right here and see right here, Math Express. Okay, right here. Math Express, how to excel in your college math classes. You can see the picture of students in the classroom. It's like I say, it is the key to your success in maths. Once again, thank you for listening, and have a good night.